Hello again, my brilliant learners. I'm so glad you're here, ready to learn, grow, and explore the world of English. Today's word is one we often hear when someone feels hurt, insulted, or angry. It's short, but it carries strong emotion. Today, we're going to learn the word offense. So, what does offense mean? Offense can mean two things. First, it's the feeling of being hurt or upset by something someone says or does. Second, in law, an offense is something wrong or illegal, like breaking a rule. So, it is a word that talks about both feelings and actions, not a word to take lightly. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word offense. He made a joke, but she took offense and left the room. I hope you won't take offense if I speak honestly. Lying to a police officer is a serious offense. She didn't mean to give offense. It was just a mistake. Stealing is a criminal offense in every country. All right, now it is time for a short story, just 10 sentences, to help you remember offense in context. Last year, I told a story at dinner, trying to be funny. I didn't realize one of my friends had a different view. He stayed quiet, but I saw the offense on his face. Later, he said, "I know you didn't mean it, but it hurt. I felt terrible. I had given offense without meaning to. I apologized, and we had a good talk about it." Since then, I try to think before I speak, especially in a group. Words can bring laughter, but they can also cause pain. I didn't break a law, but I still made a mistake. Not every offense is criminal. Some just need kindness to fix. So, that's the word offense. Something that can hurt feelings or break rules. Use it with care and try to be thoughtful in your words and actions. See you next time for another powerful word. Take care and keep learning.